guys, I'm back. Kae Nerves, your thrifty nurse. Since I'm a Cebuana and thrifty in Cebuano is KATHihik, so I'm gonna call you KATHihik. As what I promised from my previous video that I will share to you the part 2 of my Visa Screen DIY. For today's video, I'm gonna discuss about the requirements, the fees, the timeline of my Visa Screen DIY.
Mic test. Please bear with my voice mga KATHihik since I am sick today. So let's start. On your dashboard, click on the upper right button, the shopping cart, then purchase the Visa Screen. After that, settle your payment. You can pay it through credit card. Mine was still $615 since nag-purchase ako ng Visa Screen noong April 2022 pa. Once paid, you can now visit your Visa Screen dashboard and check what are the requirements you are going to comply. Yes, mga KATHihik, those buttons that are not yet in green are the things that we need to submit to CGFNS. We need to submit our Philippine license, our US license, our high school diploma, TOR, and of course our IELTS exam. Huwag ka munang ma-stress dyan, tutulungan kita. But mga KATHihik, as what I've said from my earlier video that I'm not an expert, I'm just sharing my experience with you. Let us start on this table first from bottom to top. As you can see, my secondary school diploma was waived since I already graduated for more than 10 years already. But I will still show you how to generate the form for your secondary school diploma. Click that blue colored text and it will automatically generate a form with your complete details on it. Just sign and date this form and include this form when submitting your secondary diploma to CGFNS. By the way, you can send this through mail or through their email. So, since mga tihik tayo, we are saving, send na lang natin sa email mga KATHihik para makasave. Wow. Let's proceed to our NCLEX validation. Since there's no form for that, what I did was I messaged CGFNS since they will just check it through nurses. I messaged them on April 30 and I got a reply on May 3 and May 4. And tada! It turned green! For PRC, generate a form, print, put your signature and the date, and bring the form to the PRC.
For my PRC, these are the requirements.
Once all documents are completed on hand, then bring all the documents on PRC counter number 4. The staff will check it and will give it back to you. After that, bring it to the DHL courier office inside the PRC. Once payment was settled, then you're done. They will give you a tracking number to track your documents. Let's move on to our college or tertiary school documents. Same. Generate a form, print, put your signature and the date, and bring the form to your school. They will be the one to fill up from page 2 to page 4.
For this school, these are the requirements.
Once you have your fill up CGFNS form, RLE with TOR, then you can send it through the HL. If walang courier yung school nyo, make sure na if ikaw magpadala, ang sender is yung school nyo. Not you, mga KATHihik. And make sure you follow these instructions. Let's proceed to the English exam. First, go to IELTS website and apply for additional test report form. You fill up this form and send it to this email. You will receive 2 emails from British Council, the acknowledgement of your request and the date they sent your TRF to CGFNS. After 3 days of my request, I messaged CGFNS. And on August 24, mga KATHihik, it turned green! Woo! Yes, mga KATHihik, yan talagang PRC and school ang tagal mag-green. So, here's what I did. And on September 9, application status changed to certified. All green na, mga KATHihik. Woo! And here's the total costing, mga KATHihik.
Yes, I really saved a lot from DIY.
Finally, I have my Visa Screen on my hand.
From my NCLEX journey to Visa Screen journey to endorsement license journey, I did all of that through DIY. Comment down below if what are the videos na gusto nyo i-post ko. I hope all my videos are helpful to your DIY American journey. Thank you so much mga KATHihik and see you soon.